That's shallow, Kuya.
Yeah.
That's just 3 feet.
Yeah, I know.
Stand, Clark.
Go ahead, Clark, and jump where Kuya jump at.
What? Overhand swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can overhand swim. Clark's learning how to swim. Can you do the back swim?
Backwards squat? No.
Can you do a breaststroke?
I can do it back maybe.
Can you do the doggy paddle? Look out for Clark.
Go in 4 feet, Clark.
Huh?
Go in 4 feet.
He needs his noodle. You go in 4 feet, you don't?
He knows how to swim now.
You
You can stand in there now, huh? That's cool.
I can do backwards. What?
Stand on your head.
Clarky too. Let's look at that, Clark. Look at that. Good job.
Backstroke. Backstroke work. He doesn't have it mastered yet.
Yeah, not yet. He's still learning.
He's kind of flailing.
And I can't even see.
What? How are you?
See.
What you can see?
I can't see. And because I don't have my goggles.
I guess we're not gonna stay long in here because it's cold.
Are you guys
It's
cold?
not cold now.
Swim under the water, Clarky.
Huh?
Swim under the water.
Huh?
Under the water.
I can do that.
It must not heat
Good
it.
job.
Watch me. Why do this?
Wow. Good job, Kuya.
Can you do a handstand?
That's crazy. I don't know.
Good job, Knock Knock.
Easy in the water. Try it with your legs up against the side.
Legs.
Do a handstand under the water with your legs up against the side.
Go swim and go swim over there.
I'm
He's getting better. He's swimming. He's doing
Kuya, where you going, Kuya?
He's doing the doggy
It's
paddle.
getting deep in there, Kuya. Come back here.
Go back here.
You okay? You gotta get tired.
Stay near the side.
Clark is going to.
Clark can save him with the noodle. It's hard to see him.
You are
Can
turkey.
you see him from there?
Yeah.
Can you see Alex from there? I can't see him in here.
I see his head. You're almost there, Kuya. Good job, Kuya.
You know the butterfly? Like this.
I did it.
These goggles.
No, you don't.
I did it.
You did? Good.
Watch this.
Let's dip in there. Let's 4 feet in there, Clark.
Doing good. You're doing good, Clarky. You want me to push it?
I already thrown it. I can't.
Go throw him.
Cannonball.
1, 2.
Ready? 1, 2.
Kuya, look. Ah!
That's not a cannonball.
Do it again. Ambulance. That was high. That was high.
Can you do it?
That was really high.
Higher than mommy.
Me. Can you do me?
You're probably not going to get as high as Clark.